one bedroom, fully equipped apartments for rent for holidays, for per week, or you can rent it monthly or fortnightly. 3,500 baht per week, includes all the bills. There's 2 gyms and 2 pools, and the apartment is right here, right opposite the gym. So it's the first floor overlooking the pool. Private parking inside the building, as long as you've got a pass for the car and you're the owner of the car, you can park. As long as you're the registered person that's renting the apartment, you can park free inside the complex. Other people can't park, it's forbidden. But outside the main gate there's a large car park everybody can use. There's 2 toilets and there's what do you call it, showers, and 2 gyms. The apartment's 1 double bedroom, living room and kitchenette and shower suite, air conditioned, and it's got smart TV and super fast internet. Offices as well for if you need any help. There's a second gym here. So 2 gyms and 2 pools, and right opposite the museum in Udonthani, nongprajak Park, so lovely and quiet, and great access to the shops and home deliveries by Grab and Panda, so 10 baht deliveries for food and wine and stuff like that. If anything you want to buy, you can buy it. Beer, security 24 hours, and private parking inside the complex for motorbikes or cars. Okay, I'll take you up to see the apartment now. Another wee quick look at the pool before I go, and I'll show you a pool with a pool view from the window. That's the pool. For people with disabilities it's quite good as well. 1 metre doors and great access to come inside the complex, and downstairs toilet, and here's a lift to take you up, wide enough for if you've got a wheelchair it's wide enough, and if you're feeling fit you just go up 1 flight of steps and that takes you to the inside the apartment. It's actually faster to walk up, I think, than take the lift. And there's a service for domestic rubbish. If you've got any bottles or old smelly stuff in the apartment you don't want, just put them in the bucket. So maybe take away meals after you finish with them, throw them in the bucket. Then along here's the apartment, and 24-hour security. There's security cameras in the block as well, and security guards 24 hours a day, and parking down here for you, and other parking for people that's no residents inside the block, but they can come and visit. So it's a 1 bedroom, living room and living room, but a good look at the views onto the pool, and like I said, downstairs is the gym, so you can go there downstairs, and smart TV and super fast internet. Small table for eating or computer, toilet, shower, wash and basin, and microwave, fridge, electric rice cooker, kettle and toaster, and small balcony to sit on overlooking the pool. And the pool's open till 9 o'clock, the gym's open till 9 o'clock, so you're alright. So, living room area. But for holidays, it's number 1 for holidays, a great location. 500 baht a day, so it's very, very good. And you've got all your, everything is here that you need. Wardrobe. You've got a wee clock, here's the table lamp, towels. Oh, and laundry service as well downstairs if you want washing done 7 days a week. There's a lady to do it. If you want somebody to come in and clean, if you really want that done and your girlfriend can't do it, then people will come and do it for you, no problem at all. There's a bedroom's got a TV, air conditioned, and double wardrobe, and I think we've got a hairdryer as well. Sure, we've got a hairdryer and a hairdryer. And the shower's got hot and cold running water, so you can have a hot shower. So if you're interested, just basically send me a message, or I'm on Airbnb, so I've got a massive selection on Airbnb for, we've got resort 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedroom apartments, and 1, 2 bedroom pool villas for rent. So you've got a good choice. If you rent longer periods of time, then you can get a discount for some of the properties we've got. Okay, so you're welcome to come for a look and see what you think, but value for money if you're looking for a nice place to stay.